All right, guys, today we're going to be reviewing a smart portable air pump. Here's what comes in the box. We got, let's see what we got. Manual right here. Tells you everything you need to know about the portable air pump. Has a bag, steel key bag. Has different tips for basketball, for motorcycles. USB-A to USB-C cable. It has hose here. And then we got the little portable air pump. It's pretty small. You can see it here. Take this off. Very small, pretty thin. It has a 2000 milliamp battery. So it will last you for a long time when you charge it. So you can keep it this in your car or in your bag. And if you have a motorcycle, bike, you play sports, you can have it on all the time in your bag and in your car, in your anywhere that you want to keep it, because it's pretty compact and it has a bag to it. Like I said, it has 2000 milliamp battery. It's pretty small. It's compact. You can use it for your bicycle, your motorcycle, your car, your basketball. It has presets that you can use for that. To use it, just press the button till the little three lights come up, and then here is for bicycle. It can do out to 100 psi's, and you can tell in different type of. You can measure the air here in different type psi, keep it kPa, kilograms, and then you could do the presets right there. So basketball, car, motorcycle, bicycle, and then basketball. Or you can do whatever you want. These are presets, so it tells you the psi right there. 40 psi, 38 psi for bicycle, 8 psi for basketball. This is the compartment to storage your hose. So you just put it there, and it'll be stored in the same unit. So that's very convenient. So once you want to use it, just take it out, screw it here, and then you're ready to go. Once you're done, just put it back and you keep going. So you can, once you put it here and put it on your tire, whatever the vehicle you're gonna do, or the ball, it'll tell you the actual how much air are in there, and then you can just use it to the settings to just get it to the appropriate psi. So definitely recommend it. Portable, small, convenient. It does 120 psi. You can de-inflate here. So you press this button, and if it's too much, if you're using the custom one and you're going too much, then you can just press here and it will let the air go. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.